Well, I think there are landmark decisions, but you see, what is pathetic about that is the fact that the local government autonomy is coming up in this at this particular point in time.
Why is it
the
pathetic?
architects? It's sad because the architects of the constitution ought to have factored that into consideration. This ought to have reflected the takeoff point of the constitution. What they are doing now shows the measure of political naivety and the fact that the leadership is absolutely disconnected with the followership. Because look at the time it took us to appreciate the fact that the local government segment is an independent segment. And over the years, we all know what has been going on. The funds meant for these local governments have been misappropriated by the state governors. And many a time they have been the bulwark in terms of resistance to the amendment of these critical segments.